What's up foodies? In this video I'm going to take this and make it into this. Today we are making delicious lemon cookies with a zesty lemon curd filling. These cookies are perfect for any lemon lover out there. But here's the thing, these aren't just any lemon cookies. I've got a little trick up my sleeves that's going to make your taste buds dance. Let's get started. Let's start with the lemon curd. In a bowl, combine half a cup of sugar and the zest from one lemon. Now, here's a little tip. Rub the zest into the sugar with your fingertips. This releases more oils from the zest, making your lemon curd extra aromatic. Next, add 3 large egg yolks, a pinch of salt to the lemon sugar mixture. Whisk it until slightly fluffy and lighter in color. This is going to be the base for our delicious lemon curd. Heat lemon juice in a saucepan over medium-high heat until it just starts to boil. Slowly pour the hot lemon juice into the egg yolk and sugar mixture while stirring constantly. This step tempers the egg yolks, preventing the lemon curd from splitting and curdling. Place the mixture back to the saucepan and cook on low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens for about 4 to 5 minutes. Don't let it boil. Once thickened, remove from heat and stir in butter until it's melted. For a smooth texture, strain the lemon curd through a fine mesh sieve.
Oh, so good.
Pour the lemon curd into a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Ensure it touches the surface to prevent the skin from forming. Then let it cool while we are making the cookies. Now onto the lemon cookies. In a large bowl, combine sugar and tablespoon of lemon zest. Rub the zest into the sugar with your fingertips. As you already know, this enhances the lemony aroma of your cookies. Add softened butter eggs and vanilla extract. Whisk until well combined. In this video, I forgot to film the part that I put the lemon juice into the butter. Sorry about that. Sift in flour, baking powder and salt. Stir with a wooden spoon or spatula until you have a smooth dough. Chill the dough in the fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight. Chilling firms up the dough, making it easier to handle and preventing the cookies from spreading too much during baking. Now that our butter has been in the fridge for 1 hour, we can proceed. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Use an ice cream scoop to portion the dough. Roll each portion in powdered sugar, then form into balls. Place the dough ball on a baking sheet, spaced well apart. Make a well in the center of each ball with a measuring spoon. Fill each well with a generous teaspoon of lemon curd. Bake for 9 to 12 minutes until the cookies are spread and crack at the edges, and the lemon curd puffs up slightly. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 to 10 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. And there you have it, delicious lemon cookies with a zesty lemon curd filling. When life gives you lemons, make lemon cookies. No. Craving more lemony delights? Don't miss out my lemon cake recipe, lemon tart recipe, or even my famous lemon posset recipe.